I'm gonna be opening this ordinary glitter surprise egg. It's still very, very, very special though. Glitter surprise eggs are one of the best eggs.
I agree. They're one of my favorite eggy wigs.
And they're chocolate instead.
They're chocolate.
We're getting into the yolk.
No.
I'm gonna eat the chocolate soon. I'll put that chocolate over there. Come on, Capsule.
Use your muscles. Use your muscles.
Open up so I can get the toy inside.
Here, I'll help you. Okay, what's inside?
I can't wait. Ooh, another one of the panda guys.
Yay, Panda from Kung Fu Panda. All right, this it requires a little assembly. So here, let me put it together. Do you want to bite a chocolate?
Yeah. Put that to the side. Chocolate. Maybe just one more bite.
Okay, a little bite.
I'm just gonna finish what's in my mouth.
You are silly. Okay, I'm going to put this together. So here's the instructions on how to put her together. A little figure from Kung Fu Panda 3. Here's some of the other characters in the series. And here's what she looks like put together. She's so cute. Yeah! Wait, she also has a fuzzy face. So it's very nice. I like her crown. Little outfit. Especially her cute fuzzy face. What do you think? What's your favorite part?
I think my favorite part is the crown and
So cute. All right. Well, what a fun surprise. I can't wait to see Kung Fu Panda 3 because I really liked the first two movies.
Yeah!
Jack Black is awesome. And, well, so is everyone else. So is Angelina Jolie and Seth Rogen and all the other fun voice talents. So, until next time, friends.
Bye!
Bye!